Today's story is about a boy whose laziness almost ruined his entire life, until one moment forced him to change. By the end, you'll see how someone who avoids every responsibility can still turn into a disciplined, hard-working person. And while listening, you'll also learn new English words and how to use them naturally. Stay with me until the end. Let's grow together. In a quiet little village lived a boy named Sam. Everyone knew him, not because of his talent or strength, but because he was unbelievably lazy. Every morning, his mother had to shake him awake over and over again. Even then, Sam would mumble, "Just 5 more minutes." He avoided chores, never studied seriously, and always searched for the easiest way to do things. But Sam wasn't a bad kid. Deep inside, he simply didn't understand why working hard even mattered. One day, everything changed. Sam's father suddenly fell ill, and the doctor said he would need weeks of rest. Someone had to manage the family shop, and Sam was the only one available. The shop was their only source of income. Sam had no choice. He had to step in. But he had no idea how to run a business, talk to customers, or handle money properly. At first, he failed badly. He dropped items, mixed up prices, gave the wrong change, and annoyed almost every customer. That night, Sam sat alone thinking, "I've never taken anything seriously, but now my family needs me. I can't keep living like this." He made a decision. He would change. The next morning, Sam woke up before sunrise. He opened the shop early, greeted customers with a smile, and asked for guidance whenever he was unsure. Slowly, he improved. Customers noticed. "Is this really the same Sam who never lifted a finger?" they whispered. A week later, a man from the city arrived. He was searching for a young boy to train for a good job in town, someone honest and hardworking. The entire village pointed at Sam. "He's changed," they said. "He supports his family and works harder than anyone." The man observed Sam at the shop and was impressed with his dedication. He offered Sam the job. Sam's eyes filled with tears of joy. He hugged his parents and said, "I used to be lazy because I had nothing to fight for. Now I understand, when people you love depend on you, you become stronger." So what's the lesson? Laziness isn't permanent. Sometimes all we need is a powerful reason to transform. Our family, our dreams, or even the desire to prove to ourselves that we can do better. Once you find that reason, nothing can stop you from becoming your best self. And today, you learned 3 new English words: shortcut, responsibility, and depend. Try using them in your own sentences. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tales with English. Let's continue learning together, one story at a time. See you in the next video.